Today we are going to draft A-line skirt. In order to draft A-line skirt, you are supposed to first of all draft trace, tailored skirt block, front. This is your tailored skirt block front, and this is your tailored skirt block back. Using gateway sheet or tracing paper, you are supposed to trace A-line tailored skirt front and tailored skirt back. Now let us start the drafting. After tracing, this is the waistline of your tailored skirt block front and this is the hemline. Label your waistline as 1 and 2 and label your hemline as 3 and 4. In the same way, for back draft, label waistline as 1A, 2A and label hemline as 3A, 4A. Done. Now, using your 1/4 scale, extend the flare at your hemline by 2.5 centimeters. Here, measure 4 to 5 outward direction 2.5 centimeters using your 1/4 scale. 2.5 centimeters, 4 to 5 out, 2.5 centimeters, and using your scale, join from point number 5, draw one straight line that which blends into your waist to hip curve. From point number 5, you need to join a straight line that which blends into your waist to hip curve. In the same way, for your back draft, 4A to 5A, you need to extend the flare at your hemline by 2.5 centimeters. 4A to 5A. Again, 2.5 centimeters using your 1/4 scale, and from point number 5A, draw one straight line that which blends into your waist to hip curve like this. This is your flare extension for both. Now, once your flare extension is done, now measure your waistline, that is 1 to 2, and divide your 1 to 2 line into 3 equal divisions. It is 18 centimeters over here, so for every 6 centimeters I am marking 6 and 12. Divide 1 to 2 line into 3 equal divisions. Done. 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters, and label the divisions as A and B. In the same way, for your back as well, do the same thing. Measure waistline, that is 1 to 2A, and divide your 1 to 2A line into 3 equal divisions. It is 20.5. So for every 6.6 centimeters, you need to mark. Divide 1A to 2A line into 3 equal divisions, and again label it as A and B. Now, after the divisions, what are you supposed to do? From the points A and B, you are supposed to draw parallel lines which are parallel to your 1 to 3 lines. That is your on-fold line. See, from point number A, draw a straight line down till your hemline. In the same way, from point number B, draw a straight line down till your hemline, which is parallel to your on-fold line, that is your 1 to 3 line. This is your front. Coming to your back, the same thing. Draw parallel lines to your 1 to 3 line from A as well as from B. Now, here coming to your front, you have a dart at your waistline. The dart width is 2 centimeters and the dart length is 10 centimeters. Now, what am I doing here? I am splitting this particular dart at point number A and B equally. That means the dart width is 2 centimeters over here. So I am supposed to give 1 centimeter dart at point number A and 1 centimeter dart at point number B. So what am I supposed to do? I am slightly erasing off the dart and I am splitting this 2 centimeters dart at A and B. That means 1 centimeter at A and 1 centimeter at B. So on either directions of point number A, in order to give 1 centimeter dart, on either directions of point number A, you are supposed to give 0.5 and 0.5. In the same way at point number B, 0.5 and 0.5. And the dart length remains the same, that is 10 centimeters. I am taking from point number A, measure 10 centimeters down along this line, as well 10 centimeters line from point number B as well. And then join your dart. Okay. Now, along these lines, you need to give scissors symbol. Done? Now, cut the outer portion of your front draft. Along this outer portion, outer line, you need to cut. Cut the entire outer portion like this, and then see, we have drawn the lines here as well. We have given the scissor symbol over here. So you are supposed to cut along these lines till the end of your dart, till the tip of your dart point. You are supposed to cut. Here as well as here. Yes, we are done with the cutting till the tip of your dart. Now what are you supposed to do? You need to close the darts over here. See, you have 3 lines over here, 1, 2 and 3. First of all, fold along the third line. See, how am I folding? I am folding along the third line. Okay, once you are done with your folding, the third line should overlap onto your first line. So you need to close like this. Third line should overlap onto your first line. That means what are we doing here? We are basically closing the dart. In the same way, you are supposed to close the other dart as well. See here. Fold along the third line here. See, I have folded along the third line. Third line should overlap onto your first line. So you are supposed to close your dart like this. Third line should overlap onto your first line. Yes. Now what happened here? By closing the dart, our flare has got increased. Earlier it was closed like this, whereas after cutting along these lines, our flare has got increased. So here the method which we implemented is called as slash and spread method. That means we have cut along these lines till the dart point, and then we have closed the darts. That means we have slashed along the line. By closing the dart, we have increased the flare. That means it has got spread. So this particular method we call it as slash and spread method. So once we are done with the closing of the darts, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to paste it as it is on one more color paper. See. Now paste this as it is. while pasting it, make sure that the darts are closed like this. The dart should be properly closed, and then paste. Okay, and then now join these 2 points like this, from here to here and from here to here. Join it and then cut the outer portion again. This is your A-line skirt front. Now let us draw the pattern information. Along this line, it represents on fold. And this particular line represents your center front line. And the grain line given here is straight grain line. A-line skirt front draft. This is for standard size 10, and the number of pieces to be cut, 1 piece. This is your A-line skirt front. Now let us start drafting the back. As we have already done, we have divided the waistline into 3 equal divisions, labeled it as A and B. From A, draw straight lines till your hemline, which are parallel to your on-fold line. Done. Now see here, we have 2 darts at your back for tailored skirt block. We have 2 darts over here. So the dart at point number A is of 2 cm dart width, and the dart length is 13 cm. And the dart at point number B is again 2 cm width, and the dart length is 12 cm. So now what am I doing here? I am reducing the darts to 1 cm and 1 cm at point number A and point number B. So I am slightly erasing it off. Okay. At point number A, you are supposed to give a dart of width 1 cm. That means on either sides 0.5 and 0.5. 0.5 and 0.5. In the same way at point number B, 0.5 and 0.5. And join it to the same points over here. Dart length remains the same. Only we are reducing the dart width. Done. Now, as we have reduced 1 cm here and 1 cm here, we are supposed to give the dart at point number C, which is the mid of A and B. Take the midpoint of A and B and label the point as C. Okay. So we have taken out 1 cm from here and 1 cm from here, right? So 1 plus 1, that means 2 centimeters. So now what am I doing? I am giving that 2 centimeters dart at point number C. Okay, why are we doing this? See, how we have done the dart manipulation slash and spread method over here. In the same way, we are going to convert these 2 darts into flare. So that's why we are reducing the dart at point number A and B to 1 centimeters. So from point number C, draw one straight dotted line of length 12.5 centimeters. As the dart at point number A is 13 and the dart at point number B is 12 centimeters, I am taking the dart at point number C as 12.5. And on either directions of point number C, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. That means as a whole the dart width is 2 centimeters at point number C. And then join your dart at point number C. Okay, now again give scissor symbol along these two lines. Okay, now cut the outer portion first. How we have done A-line skirt front, in the same way you are supposed to do the A-line skirt back dart manipulation as well. Cut along these two lines till the tip of your darts. Here as well as here. So like this you are supposed to cut till the tip of your darts. Till here and here you are supposed to cut along these two lines, and again in the same way close the darts. You have 3 lines over here. Fold along the third line. Third line should overlap onto your first line. Like this. Like this close your dart here as well as here. The darts at A and B. Fold along the third line should overlap onto your first line and close your dart. So again we have closed the darts at point number A and B. Again what happened here? We have given a slash over this line. We have closed the dart. So by closing the dart, what happened here? Your flare has got increased. So again we have done dart manipulation. Dart is converted into flare over here by using slash and spread method. Now again paste this as it is on color paper. And paste it as it is. See, while pasting you have to make sure that the darts are properly closed. Okay, and then join the hemline. And then cut the outer portion. So this is your back draft. Now give the pattern information. This particular side 1, 2, 3 line represents your on fold line. This line represents your center back. Grain line given here is straight grain line. Name of the pattern A-line skirt back draft. Standard size 10 and cut 1 piece. So this is your A-line skirt back and this is your A-line skirt front. The dart at point number C remains the same at your back. Why? Because we have 2 darts at your center back draft. So that is your point number C, which remains the same. The other 2 darts we have converted to increase the flare.